I saw a huge, so scary. I'm scared of that one, guys. Ooh. This one a lot also, guys. A lot of fruit. The second batch of our cabbages. My husband planted these ones. And our neighbor farm, they are irrigating. As you can see that's the water. And because it's a bit windy, there's water also coming in here. Look how beautiful our broccolis here, guys. They are enormous, so enormous. And also the cabbages and cauliflowers, they are growing nicely as well. And also the leeks and the celeries. Alright guys, we are going to harvest some of our butternut squash again. This is my second harvest. So we have a lot in there, guys, and they are ripe already. Celery. And there are lots of nettle as well, guys. This is celery. Another celery. Celery. And here as well. I have to clean and remove the weeds. And those are broccolis. Cauliflowers. Cauliflowers, broccolis, and these ones are cabbages. And I have audience here. I have viewers and they keep asking food. But they have food. My husband gave them already this morning. As you can see, their tummy is full. So here are the butternut squashes that we are going to harvest. They are perfect already. As you can see that this part is so hard and dry. Yeah. Look. And more in there. Ayan guys. Tapos may mga bunga pa. Ayun, that is bago lang. And also I have also some bagos here. We have more new ones in here. No, it's not that new anymore because nag-start na siyang ma-dry. Is bago. So, very prolific itong butternut squash na to, guys. Alright guys, so wala akong tripod kasi ang dinala ko is my camera. So, I brought my tripod. Pero, nung gamitin ko na, wala pala siyang battery, guys. May dala akong extra na battery, pero wala din siyang battery. Wala din siyang laman. I mean, it's really flat. So, ang ginagamit ko ngayon ay ang aking phone. Tapos, yun nga, hindi ko nadala yung tripod, guys, ng aking phone. So, hindi ko ma-film kung paano ko i-harvest. Alam nyo naman, nakita nyo na last time. So, ipakita ko na lang kung ilan ang ma-harvest ko, guys. And I will also show you some of the lettuces, how they've grown, as in na malaki na sila, guys. I harvested twice or thrice already. Yeah, I keep harvesting the first ones, guys, na malaki na medyo malaki na. Because they are young and tender. So, yun ang kinakain namin. And, ano pa? Yeah, I will harvest also lots of chilies. Pero, ang plano ko talaga today, guys, is to harvest yung butternut squashes. And then, after that, magtanim tayo ng leeks. Yung leeks naman, guys, na yun ay iba sa ginagamit sa pangluto. Yung leeks na yun ay grill, guys, together with meat. So, pag magtanim ako this month, we are now in 4th of October. maha-harvest na namin by January or February. So magkakaroon na kami ng leeks. Yes guys, I will show you some clips guys kung paano nga lutuin yung leeks na yun. Okay guys? So kung nag-irrigate yung neighbor namin guys, mga tanim namin nadidiligan din kasi ayan, oh ayan. Ayan. It's not directly na napupunta yung malakas na tubig na yun. Pero yung showers niya guys, nakikita nyo naman, ayan. Lalo na pag mahangin, maraming tubig na napupunta dito. Kaya siguro yung ano natin, squash natin ay as in na super saya kasi nakaka-receive siya ng tubig from our neighbor. Yeah, that's what I thought. Kaya as in na masayang masaya siya. Itong banda naman na ito ng ating butternut squashes, marami din yan siya guys. Pero hindi siya nakaka-receive ng tubig from our neighbor. Pero dinidiligan namin. Pero marami pa rin siyang bunga guys. So I think it's not because of the water from our neighbor, but the variety of this butternut squash is really prolific. Alright guys, so na-harvest ko na siya. Marami pa guys ang mga natitira. I'm not sure if you can see. Ayan. May dalawa pa doon. May isa doon. Tapos may bago doon guys. Dalawa. Nasa ano din guys. Nasa grape din. Tapos yung dalawa na nasa fence. Kunin din natin yun. So bale 11 ang nakuha ko dito guys. Tapos yung iba naman na nakuha ko. Pero sa isang plant lang yun guys. Isa or dalawang plant. So ito yung nakuha ko. Kasama din guys ng plant na yung nandito. So itong side na ito, bali ang nakuha ulit natin ay in total is 17. 6 ito. Tapos doon naman 11. So in total is 17. We are going that side and harvest ng ilang mga kalabasa na pwede nang i-harvest. Malaki na ang ating artichokes. Tapos may tumubo na kamatis. So ayan ang ating artichokes. Tapos ito naman yung ating mga lettuces. Ayan guys, as in na malaki na sila. So kumuha ko kahapon ng mga dahon dito. As you can see, na kinuhanan ko yan siya. Ayan. Ganun guys ang ginagawa ko. Okay, let's change the position. Ayan. Ayan, hanggang dulo guys ay lettuces. Hanggang doon banda. Tapos malalaki na rin ang ating mga artichokes. So baling dalawang lines guys yung artichokes natin. In total may ano guys, 10. May 10 tayong artichokes na nabuhay. Namatay ang 2. Leeks naman na ito ay malaki na rin. Ito yung pangalawang tanim ng aking asawa na leeks. Yung isang leeks na pinakita ko sa inyo before, itinanim ko yun guys mga first week of September, I think. Yeah, and now October na tayo, 1 month na. So malaki na siya. Ang daming bunga ng ating sili guys. Ayan, ang ganda. Tapos marami pang green. Ayan. Okay, so marami tayong i-harvest din dito. Yung mga nauna na din. Yung second batch. So, i-harvest natin. Lalo na yung may 4 yata doon. Let's see kung ilan ang maha-harvest natin dito. Banda. You see? As in na prolific talaga kasi nga malamig na. Tapos gustong gusto niya guys. May bunga pa rin siya non-stop. Ayan. 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 So happy everyone. Tapos marami pa dyan guys. So, let's see kung ilan ang ma-harvest nating butternut squashes dito na na magulang na okay na matured na or cured na. I found chard guys na tumubo sa garden as in a volunteer. So ibigay natin sa ating mga manok. Let's see how they are going to eat this, if they're going to enjoy it. But I think they're going to enjoy it. See? Bravo. Yum, huh? Yummy. So these are our chickens, guys. We only have one brown, and the rest they are all Sussex. Except this one, I think it's a hybrid of a Sussex and something because it has feather. The other one as well, there's feather on his feet. Bah, eat. Our ampalayas are going strong. They are still so nice and green and producing. Ang na-harvest ko dito guys ay 6. Yeah, marami pa guys. As in, marami pa ang hindi cured. Kaya iwan na lang natin. May 4 o 5 that side lang. Tapos dito may 3. Tapos dito may 1. Tapos dito guys, hindi ko na alam kung ilan, basta meron pa. Tapos doon, meron din 2 o 3. Let's go check. Tapos dito banda, hindi ko alam guys. Pero ayan, 1, 2. Let's see. 3. I'm not sure if this one is ready or not. Ready na siya. Okay, we are going to harvest this one. Ready na siya guys kasi medyo brown na itong ano niya, tangkay niya. Tapos ayan, here may 2 din. Ayan, ang gaganda nila. Ayan, medyo brown na din siya. Pwede din natin kunin pero iwan ko muna para ma-cured siya ng mabuti. And here, ayan, bago din. Tapos doon guys, as in na marami pa. Ang maha-harvest natin dito mga around 10 to 12. I have tomatoes there as well. I'm not sure if you can see. Meron pa tayong mga tomatoes. And in here, let's see. Ayan, 1, 2. Yeah, so there are 2 more here. And let's put this to climb. Parang may bunga siya. Yan. Maliit. These ones, guys, may 2 dito. May 2. So, 2 lang guys. Alright guys, so we got 7 this side. And that side 6, 7 plus 6 is 13 plus 11. So in total we got 24 butternut squashes. The first batch we also got 24 in total. So 24 and 24 is 48. But I didn't harvest the 2 of there yet. Yeah, and they are ready. Because they are guys behind the fence and we have this like screen, so it's not easy to cut and they are quite heavy. I need my husband to help me. So ayun, let's go and see kung okay na rin i-harvest ito. Oh yes, can you see? yung ano niya guys. Yan, can you see? As in na, pwede na siyang i-harvest. So, let's also harvest this one. So, in total, 25. There are more there too. So, I will have third batch, guys, later. Third harvest. Yeah. I am so happy. And we have enough food, guys. We have enough butternut squash for this year. Not only this year, until the next gardening season again. I hope these ones will last. Yeah, that's why I let them cure on their vines, so they will store better. We just have to clean them, remove this earth, the soil, the splash. Yeah, because it rained, guys, for maybe 2 or 3 days here. That's why they are quite wet. But I think it is now time to harvest these ones. That is why. Yeah. So happy. Really happy. So for example, these ones, because many days, guys, touching the ground. That's why. But this one is only the skin. Once you peel it, it's okay. The flesh is okay, but don't worry, because we are going to look at the bee. Oh, the bee is full of pollen. Wow, so beautiful. Thank you, bees, for pollinating all our plants. And yeah, don't worry, guys, because we are going to consume these ones first. Yun nga, dahil sa tagal nila sa lupa, na natatouch ang lupa, tapos umulan, umaraw, ganun, kaya nagkaganyan siya, guys. But as I've said, don't worry, because we will consume these ones first. Yeah, so let me know, what are the recipes, what are your recipes for butternut squashes, because we have enough. I'm sure we are going to give away to some friends, and then of course we will consume most of these ones during this time of autumn, winter, and spring. Yeah, so let me know, guys. What we normally do with these ones is cream, pumpkin cream, and also pinakbet. Yes, that is Filipino dish, pinakbet. And also pasta, or it's like gnocchi, guys, also. So only these 4, but I will also try to incorporate these ones in my baking, guys. Yes, so let's try. Okay, so may gagawin pa ako, nakapagtanim ng itatanim ko nga. Kasi guys, it took me time to harvest and carry all this together and put them all together. Tapos yung isang garden ko kasi, guys, doon sa kabila, kailangan kong linisan yung bed, guys, kung saan ko itatanim yung mga leeks natin, yung bulbs natin, kasi may tanim pa ako doon na tomato, so I have to clean the tomato plant. Yeah, kasi wala naman na siyang bunga, and then arrange the bed a little bit and then plant. But the time now is 12:39. I'm not sure if I have enough time, because I am going to prepare food for my husband and I. Tapos naglalaba pa ako, so marami akong ginagawa at the same time. And yeah, I have to cook, as I've said. And also I have to harvest nga, guys. I have to harvest the tomatoes, kasi marami pa tayong tomatoes na hinog na hindi pa hinog. Tapos as in na i-cut ko na yung plants, na yung tomato plant, tapos ilagay ko sa compost para next year may gagamitin tayong good soil. So ayun, guys, and then I will just move a little bit yung lupa nga, and then itanim natin. So yun ang gagawin natin, and my husband will come and help me pick these ones later. Alright, guys, sa wakas may battery na tayo. So, let's continue. Now, papunta na tayo sa ating isang garden. Tapos na ako dito sa kabila, kung saan ako nag-harvest ng mga butternut squash natin. And now, papunta naman tayo doon sa kabila kung saan natin itatanim ang ating mga onion leeks. Alright guys, so nandito na tayo sa isang garden. So, ito yung gusto kong linisan. Itong bed na ito. Itong dalawang beds na to guys. Yan is lavender. I love lavender. Tapos wala na kasi siyang bunga guys. Kasi ito yung hinarvest ko nung nakaraan. May pa ilan-ilan lang ang natira. This one. Tapos ito naman, okay pa naman siya. Hindi naman sira. So let's take this one. So ang gagawin natin guys ay ikat lang natin siya. Can you see? As in na tumutubo pa rin siya guys. Maganda pa rin ang tubo niya. Kaso nga lang, yun nga, malamig na tapos ma-frost yan sila. Hindi rin mabubuhay in winter. Kaya, ang itanim natin ay yung pang winter na talaga. Okay? Tapos, gusto ko din magtanim dito ng ng garlic. So, I really have to clean these beds. Doon, yung bed na yun kung saan ako nagtanim ng garlics last year. Kaso nga lang, they are still going strong. Look how gorgeous my salvia. Can you see? As in na, umano na siya guys. Yung root niya. Kaya pala ang ganda na ang tubo niya guys. Kasi yung root pala niya nasa lupa na. Hindi ko na matanggal. Ayan. Tapos ito naman yung ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. This one, nakalagay lang guys doon sa window pane namin. So every time na may gusto ako halimbawa na nagustuhan ako na tanim, I mean na fruit, ganun. So dito ko inalalagay guys. Doon din sa kabila. Pero ang karamihan na inalagay ko kasi dito ay ito lang. These are lemon. So, puro lemon guys ang nailagay ko dito. Tapos, sa kabilang window pane naman namin, nandoon yung mga fruits like apples, cherries, and may avocado din ako doon. Yeah, kaya kailangan ko na talagang i-transplant guys. Yeah, can you see that? Ang ganda no? Ang ganda ng tubo niya. So, ayan. We really have to transfer this one. Ito hindi pa umano yung niya guys, ugat niya, but they need to grow nicely and well. Makakaya naman siguro ng winter ito. Kasi the whole year, last year inilabas ko guys dito, tapos nung spring, tapos nag-winter, until now guys, they are still okay. So, okay naman siguro pag itanim ko na yan sa labas. So, dito ko itinanim yung natin guys, garlic natin last year. Yeah, I can remove now this sunflower. Alam nyo ba kung ano ang nangyari guys? Kinain lahat ng mga ibon, hindi na sila nagtira kahit isa. Lahat kinain nila. Pati yung napakalaki na nandito, kinain din. So, I was so sad. Buti na lang marami pa akong mga seeds sa loob ng bahay. Tapos dito naman, may tumubo. Okay, so dito ako magtatanim din ng garlics. So, marami pa tayong i-harvest na mga kamatis. Can you see naman ang mga kamatis natin? Nasa lupa na yan sila. Yun ang kukunin natin, i-harvest natin. So, ayan, marami sila. Marami, lalong-lalo na doong banda. Super dami. So, these are marigolds. Ang gaganda nila, diba? Ang ganda ng marigold natin. So, we are going to harvest some of these as well. Ilagay natin sa loob ng bahay para ma-dry siya, and then kunin natin yung seeds to plant next year. Ang ganda, no? Ito, magaganda pa rin sila, guys. Oh my gosh, what is that? Can you see? Tapos may mga may mga bagong bulaklak pa siya guys, oh. Ayan. Kaya nasasayangan akong tanggalin itong mga ito. What I'm going to do is I will cut some. Ilagay ko din sa baso para naman i-enjoy natin sa loob ng bahay. Ayan, so dito ko nagtanim ng garlics last year. Dito ko sana din itatanim ngayon, pero yun nga, marami pa tayong sili. Ayan, I'm not sure if nakikita nyo. Mga sili natin. Ayan, hindi pa yan sila hinog. Kaya, masaya nga naman akong tanggalin sila at magtanim na ng garlic. Tapos, may nakita ko na may tumubong garlic na nga doon. Ayan. May isang seed siguro ako na naiwan doon kaya na germinate na siya. Yes, guys. So, ayan. Marami din tayong kukunin na mga tomatoes. Like this. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Ang dami, no? Tapos may mga maliliit na mushrooms. I'm not sure if they are edible or not. Magulo, guys. Tinanggal kasi ni Russell kasi naghahanap siya. May naamoy yata siya na mouse. Kaya as in na hinalungkat niya lahat. Kaya ganyan. Hello guys, parang may nagnakaw sa kabila. Kasi ninakawan na yung kabilang kapitbahay namin. So, ayun guys, may narinig ako na maingay, nag-move ng mga bakal, mga ganun. So, pinuntahan ko dito lang sa fence namin. So, nakita ko 3 lalaki. Tapos, nung nakita na nila ako, nilagay na nila yung yung bakal na aluminum doon sa sasakyan. Tapos, pumunta kami doon ni Everest kung saan yung walnuts namin para makita ko sana kung nandoon pa yung sasakyan, pero wala na guys, nandoon na. So as in napuno nga yung sasakyan, van yung sasakyan nila na puti. So ayun, wala, hindi namin naabutan. Tapos tinawagan ko ang asawa ko, tinawagan niya yung may-ari dyan sa kabila. Tapos walang sumasagot sa kanila, kaya mamaya siguro sabihin namin. Grabe. Okay guys, so let's continue planting our leeks guys. So ito guys yung bulb niya, ito ang itanim natin. Yes, sabi ng ng mama na kung itanim daw namin ito, bale ang lalabas 2 o 3 daw na leeks ang lalabas. So yun ang i-harvest natin kung may guys, may ma-harvest tayo. So ayan, ewan ko kung ilan guys itong pinamili namin, ilang pieces, kung ilang kilo, mga 3 kilos yata yun. So nakita ko yung mukha ng mama, payat siya yung lalaki na yun. Tapos yung dalawa hindi ko nakita ang mukha. Tapos ang napansin ko sa isang lalaki is matangkad, parang malakas yung katawan guys, may muscles. Tapos ganito yung buhok niya na curly. So yun ang nakita ko doon sa isang lalaki. So ewan ko. Tapos pumunta na sila papuntang Lerida. Okay guys, so let's continue. na natin guys ang ating leeks. So, ang gawin naman natin ngayon ay i-harvest natin yung mga green tomatoes.